Hello guys, my name is Hervé Micha. I'm designer and entrepreneur. Today is a pleasure for me to start by these different tutorials to help you to reach the next level. If you are interested by design skills and investment, you are in the good place because I'm here to help you to become better. As an industrial designer, it's very important to invest in yourself. Do you want to improve your soft skills and hard skills? Do you want to become more confident, more consistent, and do you want to clarify yourself? Hello guys, what's up today? Today I want to talk about languages because it's very important to have habits, to have a routine every single day. And if you want to learn languages and if you don't have enough time, I think it's very interesting to think about when you have time. If you have a little time before to go to work or after, and I assure you, you just have to take these habits to practice your language every single day. It's very important for your progress if you want to improve your speaking, your understanding, and if you want to learn new vocabularies, if you want to improve your pronunciation, I think you just have to practice every single day. Right now, before to go to work, I had time to practice in the morning my English and my German too. And it's the reason why I force myself to practice and to keep these habits every single day. And I know it's not easy because sometimes you don't have much time, or sometimes you are busy because you have to go quick to work, but you just have to discipline yourself to make this effort, to discipline yourself to take these habits every single day, every weeks. And I assure you, if you want to really progress in your target language you are learning, I assure you it's very important. And for me, for example, for my new job, I have to learn German, and before I never learned German because I didn't need this language for my routine, for my lifestyle. But for this new job, because I work in a German company, this year I have to learn German, and for me it's a big challenge, but it's too an opportunity. And it's the reason why for this new year 2022, I decided to learn this language because I want to be able to express myself in German with my colleague at work. And it's the reason why I decided to prepare myself for my career, my first career. And it's the reason why I decided to learn in the same time English and German. It's very important. And the new for this year is because I never learned German, but it's an opportunity for me. Is the reason why I want to take this opportunity to learn a new language. And German, I think it's a very good language I could learn because um, on the holiday I start to learn this language, and maybe at the beginning I didn't want to learn this language, but after a few time I hear the sound of this language, and I fall in love. And I think the process takes time to learn a language if I want to learn German, but it's an opportunity for me to improve my skills, language skills, is the reason why to learn in the same time English and German is a good way for me to start this year. So if you don't have enough time to practice your target language before to go to work or after, but I assure you, you need to take time with you, to have time to practice your language every single day. It's very important for your progression, to improve your speaking, your understanding, your vocabulary, and I recommend you don't break the chain. Just practice every single day, whatever the context, whatever, if you are alone or not, whatever, if you don't have enough time, you can practice your language just 1 minute a day, or 5 minutes, or 10 minutes, or a half hours if you have more time. It just depends how much time you have and you need to progress, to improve your language speaking, understanding, and learning. It's very important to take these habits, to practice your target language every single day if you want to have quick results, because your results just depends on your habits, on your mindset, if you discipline yourself, if you practice every single day. Because before, in the previous video, I talked about input information. It's mean you just receive, include different vocabulary, sound, or word in your brain with massive input information. For example, if you listen to music podcasts or English podcasts, etc. But output is very important too. Is the reason why I recommend you to practice every single day your target language. Is very important for your process. And I know the process takes time, because maybe you will need 1 month, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, or 5 years, or 10 years to become fluent or to become polyglot. It just depends which goal you want to reach, and how much time you need to become better, to become more confident. It's very important to practice every single day, and I assure you it works every day, every time, and with every people. You just have to practice every single day. So I wish you a good day, good work if you are going to work right now. So enjoy your day, and see you next time. If you have any question about design skills or investment, you are in a good place. And don't forget to comment below. So bye bye. See you next time, guys. Bye.